Good morning and welcome to Moneyline Tips. Today we have 10 odds for you, the under market. Let's get started. The first game we have here is in the international qualifier where Romania is taking on Bulgaria. My prediction is under 3.5 goals. We have a game between Ukraine taking on Wales under 4.5 goals. Netherlands Northern Ireland taking on Portugal under 4.5 goals. Senegal taking on South Africa under 3.5 goals. Italy taking on Turkey under 4 goals. Austria taking on Serbia under 3.5 goals. Switzerland taking on Estonia under 4.5 goals. Poland taking on Germany under 4.5 goals. Slovenia taking on Armenia under 4 goals. If you want to join our VIP, kindly check my WhatsApp link in the comment section. And also note that there are other scammers, a lot of scammers out there portraying my name. They use this name to open other Facebook page, and then they'll come to your inbox and chat you up for payment. I will never come to your inbox to chat you up. So kindly note, when you see them, block them and report them. Moving on, we have a game between Kazakhstan taking on Armenia under 3.5 goals. Bosnia taking on Malta under 4.5 goals. Then the last game we have is a game between Fulham taking on AJ Osri under 4.5 goals. That gives us a total of 10 odds. So this is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. If you want to join our VIP, check my WhatsApp link in the comment section. And also don't forget to follow us on Facebook and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are new, please and kindly like this video, hit the like button, and also share this video with your friends. Tag your friends in the comment section. Also let us know where you're watching us from in the comment section. Thank you so much and have a lovely day. Remember to bet responsibly.